Alright guys, welcome back. Again, back on the Infiniti. I just got both headers out with cats included. There's that piece that goes in between the two middles here. I just ripped it out, not going to be reusing it. Seeing as how the cats are going bye-bye, test pipes are going in. And there we have it. Both are out. I didn't have to drop the subframe or nothing. Now going back in might be a whole different story, but it shouldn't be easy in, easy out. Just the way I got them in. Or took them out, excuse me. And again, how I got to this point. I took out the whole coolant pipe, which is right here. See, it sits like this on the inside there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 hose connectors that have to be disconnected, and a bolt. If you're looking at it like this, sits back there. I believe it was a 12mm head bolt, and then it just sits on that O-ring and it just slides right out. Got rid of that, took that out, was able to get down, got all the bolts from the top, didn't have to go down underneath. I ended up taking out one of the studs. It just came out, you know, rusty bolts in the north, what can I say? Ooh, rusty starter too. Now, while I'm here, I'm going to end up changing out the motor mounts for some Z1 solid motor mounts. I'm going to change out the transmission mount to a solid transmission mount as well. But yeah, I mean, the only way you could do the motor mounts is when the headers are out, because you got to get to this top bolt. You got to get to that top bolt. Can't do it with the headers in there, so while I'm here, might as well dig them out. I did not end up having to, well, I loosened up the bolt that was in there, but I didn't end up having to take that out just quite yet. Because that gap should be enough room. Oh, focus, you fucking camera. Should be enough room for me to slip the header in and out. Should be. We'll see. We'll get there. But yeah. Didn't have to drop the subframe or nothing. Oh, I'm still sitting on it. No wonder why. Yeah, didn't have to drop it or nothing. Got them out. Alright. Well, yeah, redoing thermostat, putting a little temp thermostat in there too. Getting it retuned afterwards. I broke a freaking VVTi solenoid, so that's on order too. Son of a bitch. Oh well. But yeah, that's it. So stay tuned.